What is considered normal HVAC noise? Normal HVAC noise includes a soft hum, gentle airflow, quiet clicking during startup or shutdown, and occasional pops from metal expanding or shrinking. A steady low humming sound usually comes from the blower motor, while the rushing sound of air comes from the fan moving air through the ducts. You may also hear a brief click when the thermostat tells the system to start or stop. Ductwork can make popping or ticking sounds because metal changes size as it warms and cools. A small amount of vibration is normal, but the equipment should not shake strongly or move across the floor. During heating, a furnace may make a short ignition sound, followed by the sound of the burner and fan. During cooling, the outdoor unit may produce a consistent hum, with a brief louder sound when the compressor starts. An interesting detail is that many systems sound louder at night because there is less background noise, not necessarily because the system has changed. You can learn what is normal by recording a short sound when the system is working correctly, and comparing future noises with it. If a sound suddenly changes, becomes much louder, or continues after the system shuts off, turn the equipment off and arrange an inspection. One common mistake is assuming every clicking sound is harmless, because repeated clicking can point to an electrical or starting problem. If the system clicks several times without starting, switch it off and call a qualified technician. Another mistake is ignoring rattling, grinding, squealing, or scraping, since these sounds can mean a loose panel, worn belt, failing motor, or object caught in the fan. Do not place your hands inside the equipment and have it checked. People also sometimes cover vents or block the outdoor unit to reduce noise, but that restricts airflow and can damage the system. Keep vents open and leave clear space around the outdoor unit. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.